Okay, everybody, and welcome to the Monterey Peninsula Home Team. I'm Jeff Davi, and we have another virtual tour of one of our exclusive listings in the Carmel Highlands. This house is located just off Highway 1, 246 Highway 1. It's absolutely a stunning property, tri-level with fantastic views from every level. Here's a picture actually of the view, listed at a price of $2.978, $2,978,000. And it's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 4,194 square feet. It's just a beautiful home, very close to Highlands Inn, just past the Point Lobos Park, and again, located right on Highway 1. Here is the dollhouse tour coming in the front door. You see woodwork. This door is so beautiful, completely custom. And we go into the main dining area, which is a large family room, views out these windows to the Pacific Ocean. Stone fireplace, but take a look at the woodwork here. I mean, tongue and groove ceiling, open beams. Then you go into more of a formal living room, which is just off of the kitchen. Kitchen is absolutely more wood, very light. Solarium, little dining nook. How about this for your coffee every morning? It's just a beautiful, beautiful private compound type property. You go back here to like a storage closet and a laundry room. We'll go ahead and just run back there real quick. There is a back door, of course. But what a laundry room, you know, big, big laundry room. It's what you'd expect for a home of this size. And then let's go back to the kitchen. And we'll go right through the kitchen here into the hallway and service the sleeping quarters. There's the back of that door. I mean, what a door. Absolutely stunning. There is a garage downstairs, and it does come up into the kitchen. So you have access directly in the garage as well. It actually comes up under these stairs. But let's start on the main floor. We have a bedroom back here. And all these rooms are, you know, very well sized. I mean, this is 2 double beds. Look at the wood paneling, wood French doors, hardwood floors. Then here you have a bathroom. Services this floor. It's a full bath. And let's go back over here. Head back toward the, sorry, hit the wrong button. Gotta watch out with these buttons. And then we're back at the main family living room. And then let's go up the stairs. And this house is featured, like I said, tri-level. So you have just one main staircase all the way up to 2 more levels. So here's the, let's get to the balance here in the bedroom right on this one. So you see we've got 2 rooms on this level. And I went too far, sorry. And a bathroom. Let's just take a look at the bathroom here. And this is another full bath. Tile shower. Well, you see the different woodwork. I mean, there must be 8 to 10 different types of wood throughout this house. And it just gives it so much character. And then also the light. I mean, every room has so many windows, obviously, you know, wood windows, but it's just so bright. And you're sitting here among the pine trees, sitting right here on the coast of what is the historical Carmel Highlands. It's just absolutely stunning. Look at these windows. The windows slide, they open right out. All right, let's try to go upstairs now. This is actually the entire master suite is all by itself on the 3rd floor, which has its own outside balcony, French doors to that. And you got let's go to the bedroom first here. You got a closet here. Here's the bedroom. And this is probably the highest point of the house. Very nice master. There's the windows again. There's the view. You see the fireplace from the living room right here. But look at this. It's just, you know, and it goes across over here into parlor area and the bathroom. This is the actual master tub, a little sitting area. There's a water closet over there privately, and you've got a little sauna and the jewel vanities. You also have a shower, of course. What master bedroom wouldn't be complete without a shower? And you see it's a tile shower glass block. Very nice. We just take a look here. Now, this is the outside top end of the property. We're actually looking a little toward the northeast, and it's very private. There is actually a small structure outside there and access from behind the Highlands Inn as well. But this is the house located at 246 Highway 1, and it's available to be seen by this virtual open house only because of the shelter in place. But we would encourage you to take a look and give us a call. I'm Jeff Davi, and you can call me anytime at the Monterey Home Team, or the co-listing agent is Rachelle Razecca as well from the Monterey Home Team. Thank you very much, and have a good day.